The English Premier League. It was Chelsea on Friday who were stunned by Brighton. The Brazilian Brighton won Chelsea by 3-0 at the Amex Stadium. After the game, Enzo Maresca admitted that it was his worst defeat since arriving at Chelsea and had blamed the defeat on the 9 absent player. As it stands now, Chelsea are out of the top 4. They currently sit at the 6th place on the Premier League summit. On Saturday, Manchester City delivered a perfect game after they devoured Newcastle by 4-0. All thanks to Omar Mamush first half hat-trick. That is a first hat-trick of joining Manchester City since he joined Manchester City during the January transfer window. Manchester City went on to win that game by 4-0 and are back to the top 4. Another game on Saturday was Arsenal, which left their winning late. They won that game late after bringing on Mikel Moreno, who scored a brace for the Gunners in the late hours. Gunners beat Leicester City at the King Power Stadium to push for the title. They are currently sitting second behind Liverpool and just 7 points behind the league leaders. Liverpool as well breezed past Wolves on Sunday. They defeated Wolves by 2-1 at Anfield, and they established, or rather I would say they maintained, a 7 lead point against Arsenal. All thanks to goals coming from Luis Diaz and Mohamed Salah, who has scored his 23rd Premier League goals of the season. Manchester United were stunned by Tottenham Hotspur. They were defeated by 1-0. And as it stands now, Manchester United, I would say, has dropped down to 15th place on the log. We'll be battling relegation as it stands now. Now, I will take you to the La Liga. It was Real Madrid who were held to a 1-1 draw by Osasuna following a frustrating red card issued to Jude Bellingham. Atletico Madrid also drew on Saturday, giving Barcelona an advantage to go ahead on the table in the La Liga. In the Bundesliga, two giants, that is Bayer Leverkusen and Bayern Munich, preferred to settle for a barren draw. As it stands now, Bayern lead at the top of the Bundesliga with 55 points, while Bayer Leverkusen follow suit with 47 points. Now, you can always follow us on all our social media. Ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channels. You can get our latest happening around the world of sports